how to download and play Forza Horizon 5 on your PC or laptop safely and legally. So hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I will show you how you can download this on your PC. Now before I begin, quick reminder: avoid downloading cracked or pirated versions of the game. Those are unsafe, illegal, and can harm your PC or even get your account banned. Alright, let's get started with the best and safest ways to play this game for free at a super low cost. So method 1 is Xbox Game Pass for PC. This is the easiest and most popular way to play Forza Horizon 5 without buying it separately. The game is included in the Xbox Game Pass library, so you can play the full version as long as you have a subscription. Here's how to do it. Go to the Microsoft Store or download the Xbox app for Windows. Sign in with your Microsoft account. Subscribe to Xbox Game Pass for PC or Game Pass Ultimate. Microsoft often gives a cheap trial for new users. Now open the Xbox app, search for the game and click install. That's it. Once it's downloaded, you can start racing instantly. Method 2 is Xbox Cloud Gaming. If you don't want to download the full game, you can actually stream it directly using Xbox Cloud Gaming. Just go to this link, sign in with your Game Pass Ultimate account, search for Forza Horizon 5 and hit play. This method is perfect if you have limited storage or a low-end PC. Just make sure you have a stable internet connection. Method 3 is wait for sales or free trials. Forza Horizon 5 is often on discount during Steam or Microsoft Store sales, sometimes up to 70% off, and occasionally there are free weekends where you can try the game for a few days at no cost. So keep an eye on official Forza channel or your Xbox app for those promotions. Make sure your PC meets the system requirements. Before installation, free up some space. The game is quite large. For the best experience, use an Xbox controller instead of a keyboard. And that's it for today's video. I hope you liked the video. Thank you for watching.